In today's video, I'll show you how to embed Substack on your website, step by step in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. If you want to grow your audience, the easiest place to start is by embedding a Substack sign-up form. First, log into your Substack dashboard. From there, open your settings and look for the section related to growth or subscriptions. Inside this area, you'll find an option to copy and embed code for your sign-up form. This code is what allows people to subscribe directly from your website. Once you've copied the code, head over to your website editor. Whether you're using WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or another builder, look for an option called Custom HTML or Code Block. Paste the embed code there and save or publish the page. To make sure it looks good on mobile devices, open the code and change the width value to 100%. This helps the form automatically adjust to different screen sizes. You can also embed individual Substack posts. To do this, open the post you want to share, click the Share option and choose Embed. Copy the provided code and paste it into a custom HTML block on your website, just like before. This is a great option if you want to highlight a specific article. If you want to show multiple posts, Substack doesn't offer a built-in feed embed. However, you can use tools that work with RSS feeds or third-party services to display your latest posts on your site. And that's how you embed Substack on a website. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.